if you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to potentially resolve the issue and speed up your matchmaking process. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary issues causing the error. Step 3. Reset your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. This can help improve your internet connection and reduce latency, which may help with matchmaking. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that your Overwatch 2 client is up to date. Check for any available updates and install them, as developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve matchmaking. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Blizzard's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to address the matchmaking error and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.